Have you ever wondered why an elephant gives birth to only a baby elephant, or why a mango plant gives only a mango plant? Because they belong to same species. Species are a group of animals which can interbreed and which can give rise to stable offsprings.
Why humans' DNA looks different from animals' DNA?
Because they belong to different species. Only similar species interbreed and produce stable offsprings.
Daddy, why the baby elephant looks like his mother exactly?
Because they belong to same species. Group of organisms interbreed and produce stable offsprings are called species.
Sister, see there, all these mango trees look same. Do you know why?
Because only similar species produce stable offsprings.
Study using Memoneet's active revision. You will remember the NCRT lines forever.